Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And as we all know, New Year is coming, holiday season is coming, and I thought to create a tutorial for you guys related to that season. So as you can see that on my screen, we have added a snow effect for you guys, just for you guys, so you guys can also add that on your store. And this tutorial is for Shopify store, so you can add a snow effect to your store without using any app. You don't need to pay for any app or anything additional. All you'll have to do is just add a code, which I'll provide you guys shortly in this video, and follow the instructions in this video to add this effect. So if you want to learn, stick to the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, comment on the video below, which will help me create more valuable content for you guys. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, that's how the effect will look like. And now what we're gonna do, we'll go to the backend of this development store of my Shopify. Okay, once logged in, you will see a dashboard looking like this, and all you have to do is just click on online store. And as you can see, I have added this snow effect in my Dawn theme 12.0.0. You can add this effect on literally any of the theme, because all I'm using is just a plain CSS code. So all you have to do is just upload few files, which I'm going to provide you guys, and add the CSS code on your CSS file to add this feature. Okay, so let's first install a fresh version of theme. So in order to install the fresh Dawn, all you have to do is just scroll down and click on add. Okay guys, our fresh Dawn theme has been installed. Now I'm going to click on publish again, and our fresh Dawn theme has been installed. The reason why I do that on fresh Dawn theme, in order to make sure that the old codes are not affecting the new theme. So you can try that on any theme. It won't affect, hopefully, but if it does, let me know in the comment below and I'll try to help you as soon as possible. Okay, now let's preview this one. Okay, that's how the default Dawn theme 12.0.0 looks like, and as of today, that's the latest version of Shopify Dawn theme. Now what we're gonna do in our next step is add some files. So click on files, and then as you can see, I have already added that by the name of Snow 1, Snow 2, and Snow 3. So these are the files which are responsible to add in the snow effect on our store, right? So all you have to do is just click on content and then files, and then click on upload files. Okay, and I already have snow images added. I'll just provide you guys these images. So all of the assets and the codes you will find in the video description, where there is a blog post link, and you can simply copy and paste the code and all of the assets which I used. So all you have to do is just upload these three files, and as I have already uploaded, so as you can see, these three files are already there, right? Now I'm going to open the online store on a new tab, just because we'll need the URL of these assets which we uploaded in the code. Okay, and that's the theme which we recently added. Now click on these three small dots and then click on edit code. Again, before editing the code, make sure to have a duplicate of your theme saved, because if something goes wrong, please don't blame me. I'm getting a lot of comment that my code broke your theme. I do not provide any guarantee for my codes, so that's why I keep saying that please create a backup before adding any code if you don't have any technical knowledge. Okay, now click on edit code, and all you have to do is just search for base.css. If your theme doesn't have base.css, you can add this code in theme.css as well. Or if you don't have theme.css, what you can do is just add in the same code in theme.liquid, and that file will be definitely there on your theme. So you will go to theme.liquid, add in style tag below head, and add the code which I'll provide you guys shortly. But we already have the base.css, so we can use that. Again, I'm repeating that. So if you have base.css, you can paste the code below that file. If you don't have base.css in your theme, you can use theme.css. And if you don't have any CSS file, or you are unable to find any CSS file, you can simply add in the CSS code which I'll provide you guys in theme.liquid within the style tag. Okay, I'm not doing this now because we don't need that, as we already have our CSS code in base.css file. Okay, in this file, just scroll down to the bottom and just add in the line break, and now I'm going to copy the code. So that's the code which I have prepared for you guys. So all you have to do is just copy and paste. Okay, after pasting the code, as you guys can see that in background image, we have 3 images defined: snow 3, snow 2, and then snow 1. So these are the images which you will have to update in your code. So that's why I showed you guys how you can upload the files. Now, in order to update the code, all you have to do is just go back to the files, copy the code from this link here. So just click on that button, it will copy the link, and then you can paste it here for the first file, and then paste on the second one here by copying the link from here, and then similarly do that for snow 3. I've already done that in my code, but you'll have to do that once you paste the code in your base.css file in order to make this tutorial work. Okay, once done, all you have to do is just click on save button, and that's it. Now let's preview the store. And as you can see, the snow effect is added in our store. Looks cool, right? And once the season is, once the new year is finished and you are back to your normal routine, you'll just have to remove the base CSS code in order to remove this effect. And that's it, guys. That's it for the tutorial. I hope you guys would like it and would give a thumbs up, because we are adding too much effort in creating these videos and we are not getting anything out of these videos except appreciation from you guys, and that's all we want. So to do that, please subscribe our channel, comment in the video below. Until next video, have a great day.